Hey, I'm Daniel, and today I want to share with you how we at OpenSenses see our customers moving from manual surveys to sensors. There are primarily two types of sensors that our customers use, one being desk sensors and the second being meeting room sensors. The desk sensor primarily tells you whether someone is using a desk or not, whilst the meeting room sensor gives you the count of how many people are using the space at any given point in time. There are four main reasons for why we see customers moving from manual surveys to sensors. The first reason is that they minimize resources and hidden costs. Something for you to consider is how much time your people are spending on manual surveys. Sensors are quick and inexpensive to set up, and they require minimal resources from your staff in maintaining, allowing them to spend their time and energy on doing their actual day-to-day job. The second reason for why our customers are moving from manual surveys to sensors is that the sensors offer a higher sampling rate and more accurate and reliable data. The manual survey data quickly gets outdated as it only offers a snapshot in time, whilst the sensor data comes through immediately, has a very high sampling rate, giving you a granular, detailed view of how the space is actually being used. The third reason we're seeing is that the sensor data is on demand in real time. As soon as the sensor is set up, as soon as it's installed, the data is coming through to you and you can start making decisions straight away. The data is live and on demand, so if you need to understand what the utilization was for, let's say, floor 5 last week, 2 months ago, or maybe the past 3 months combined, it's just a click away. Final reason why our customers are using sensor data is to exert real influence in internal space discussions. Something for you to consider is how you can use space data to influence hiring plans or expansion plans. Manual survey data is quickly questioned, while sensor data is objective and will allow you to have real influence when discussing with team leaders and senior management about expansion and hiring plans. Thank you very much for listening today. Have a great autumn, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Thank you.